it. Okay, so hey guys, welcome to our next one of the KGB open project meeting. So yeah, I hope you had a chance to update the agenda. Let me actually share it, and then we can discuss from there. Okay, let me share the screen. Hope it won't ask me for a start. Like we had. I hope you guys see it.
Yeah, all good.
So I think Yuri is not going to be today. This is his first day on new work. So yeah, I guess he doesn't have time to join. Dinar, yeah, I see Dinar has joined. Welcome, Dinar.
Hey guys.
Hey Dinar. I know, like, yeah, okay, found you moniker. Cool. So agenda is, yeah, just checking the action items, probably removing those who are not, like, which are not relevant anymore, and yeah, updating the ones that are still in progress. And yeah, then we get to discuss the office hours, like retro, let's say lessons learned, what we should do next, to make it better experience for community, and maybe if we may need to change the format and so on. So happy to discuss that. Yeah, project roadmap discussion, if they have anything that should be prioritized, like for next few weeks. And yes, the security slam quads. I think Yuri will and back on this later, and the update of the adapters file. So basically, officially bringing the adopters experience to the project, so we can celebrate the success. Yeah, let me know if it's fun, and please don't mind my voice. Yeah, it's a bit weird today. Yeah, I got a bit
It's very
sick last.
gentle and
Yeah,
calm
yeah,
and pleasant.
yeah,
So
yeah. Exactly. I can sing some songs while it lasts. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Let's go through the action items. So the security slam event, it's done, and it was amazing. So we did it. Thanks a lot. Yeah, Yuri and to Yuri and anyone who added their bit into that. So I think the security slam quotes is related to that. But I guess we can close this one, right? So let me just try to strike through. I can do that. I don't know how to do that. So this is underline, and there should be strike through. But yeah. Okay, let me just, mark it with something. Okay, anyway. I just underscore it, and then I'll check the them docs to find out how to do that in Google Docs to strike through the text. Okay, so as KubeCon organizer on baby meeting per test, I guess we were able to find the test link. But and Yuri, you actually did that, right? So you checked that, yeah, and thanks for that. But I think,
Yeah, the problem there is that the screen sharing wasn't covered by test,
yeah,
so
exactly,
that's
exactly.
where it's
So,
fucked.
so I'll probably mm, just update as we speak, right? So, so I'm going to like bring the Brevi screen sharing issue to go on. So yeah, what's that? So yeah, just to like briefly to explain that, but I guess we all experienced that during the demo, right? That we were basically forced to restart our machines. Most of us, I think only me, I didn't have that issue because maybe of previous issue I had and overcome, and yeah, that basically forced us to yeah to restart our laptops, and Michal had the demo already on laptop to show the live one, and that would really like break this. So yeah, definitely there should be a plan B for us. It doesn't kind of excuse us, right? That we need to find ways how we can, switch or maybe pre-record some videos for the future. But still, I think the platform comparing to the like usual conventional, let's say, desktop client presentations, yeah, it has like lots of issues, especially when it comes to audio management and that's that stuff. But yeah, enough about that. So I just like, yeah, edited here, and I think yeah, this one is kind of done. Um, Revisit the more than two cluster strategy support. I think yeah, it's not done for failovers, so I think it's still on easy to sort it out. Not sure if he had any update on that. The Azure support, I think yet still we're waiting for that, but I think this might be joined with the adopters update, right? As the I think like, Nuno's company expressed the interest in the uh, to become in an adopters list. So Cert manager integration issue. So I think we were discussing this yesterday. I think it's still not there, if I'm not mistaken. Dinar, you can update here.
Well, Easy tested it locally, and the DNS endpoint for the verification has been issued. It's just the name is not resolvable as he was running it locally, and we just need to merge that pull request Easy created basically with the Helm chart and deploy that into AWS.
Okay. So we need to merge the related PR, right? And deploy to AWS for testing. Okay. Is it like how to say? Is AWS a prerequisite here, or can we use the bind for that? The one we have in our test documentation, or am I just dreaming here?
Well, it needs something available. So whoever the issuer should go and reach the core DNS. to verify that the ownership.
Okay, so we need like proper DNS, yeah. Service here. Okay, so ping info blocks. I think this is stalled, and yeah, definitely. I mean, that went to void. I tried to ping the owner several times. Yeah, it doesn't work. I think. So my update is like no response. In fact, I've seen there's a dependent package on the Infoblox Terraform provider, and I've seen after several inquiries themselves, they started using the hashtags, like the actual the actual commit commit hashes, like to in their own Go dependencies list. So they are not waiting for that release to happen, and their release is like, I don't know, they didn't release within a year, so I'm not sure. And also still, I think this has lots of like drawbacks, and I'm not sure if we want to go that way. I think so far on our kind of client side, what has been upgraded, I think we still can keep the older version running. We don't see any issues there, but yeah, just I'll probably put it on hold for some time. WRR CRD plugin, PR, I think. Michal, you made a presentation for that. Is it
Yes,
correct?
I made a presentation for that. I need to upload it.
Cool.
I've got it in the MP4 file, and basically there are some things I need to implement to close the terminal.
Cool. So, what things?
First of all, there is missing ingress configuration.
Okay.
Second thing is covered by the Terra test. Then we should. You are writing it, right? Yeah. Then it is like ingress support, because you cannot ingress support. Yeah. Then it's basically KGB core DNS is not deployed yet. So I must do like all configuration regarding to new KGB core DNS. Yeah, there is also one thing. There is OpenPR, which defines what happens if something is wrong. Imagine that we have Vedral Robin. Vedral Robin gets some extra information from the DNS endpoint labels. And for instance, those labels doesn't fit with GSLB regions, you know. So what happens then? Should we, because I cannot use the Vedral Robin for that, or should we do nothing? At the moment, I'm doing the standard round robin load balancing. This is like a failover strategy. Failover strategy for Vedral Robin. So if something screw up, it's still balancing, but with the old one.
Okay. Okay, clear. So I just wrote that we need a fallback, right, for corner cases, if it makes sense.
So this is from, it's not from top of my head. If nothing new comes, these things would need to be done to close the WRR.
Okay, so good. Then I guess and for the video, do you plan to you remember we were discussing, right, the format of the open hours, and we were afraid that WRR presentation won't fit into that scope. But what about the separate video? Do you think yeah, I think it's kind of a new case, and probably it would make sense to record that as separate video
Yeah,
presentation.
I just recorded the video. I've got it on my laptop in the MP4 format. So if we are able to, we can transform to anything now. But yeah, we can upload it and use that video. It takes 16 minutes.
But was it the one which was prepared for the open hours, or is it the separate
no,
one?
it is separate one
Clear.
for the CNCF. I just made it like 1 hour ago.
Clear. Yeah, sorry. Awesome. Awesome news.
So just to clarify, Michal, you created 2 videos, is that correct?
Basically, I don't know what you mean by second video. One is
well, one is either targeted to WRR presentation, which is like in-depth technical one, explaining and demonstrating this feature, and another one is like a stop for failed office hours, and like make it like kind of mitigation recording what we wanted to show during the office hour slot, and to share it publicly on the different social media channels.
Yeah, I'm talking about the second one. I made a fix for that. So I have the video which should go to the office hours, containing the presentation with the load balancer, etc. Presenting the demo with the route robin. All the video takes 16 minutes. I can share it with you, and we can like use it as the fix for the CNCF office hours.
Yeah, hence Yuri was asking about the 2 videos, right? Because according to what we discussed, like there should be two, like one is shorter one that's how to say fits into the format of the office hours and acts as a kind of a replacement of like to the issues we had, and second one is like you don't have limits there, right? Probably think about it, it's going to be a future talk. So yeah, I don't know, whole lot of like, I mean, I guess 30 minutes can be the format. So the ones that you would like to you remember to like to introduce different techniques, why we're doing this, right? What are the principles, and so on. So the one that you don't have to squeeze, right? Yeah, I'm not sure, like if I yeah, do you have some issues with the audio? Michal? Yeah, looks like Michal has some issues with audio.
Yeah, apparently, and overall audio.
Okay, let's
sorry, I just lost my like headphones. It's telling me that it needs to be recharged. I didn't have like a whole second part about the second video.
Yeah, it's clear. So we just see that. Yeah. Do you hear us right now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Awesome. Awesome. So yeah, the second video is the one that you were you had to squeeze because you know we had to fit into the open office hours format. So what we're talking about here is the the full-fledged WRR presentation. So that but that's good. I mean, so my understanding is that what you have prepared is the video for the open office hours, like the replacement. And yeah, another one is the like wider format, longer one. So this is, I guess, yet to be to be prepared. So let me put it as the
and this longer one focus on WRR.
yeah.
Where do you think should it go? I mean, I thought like if Michal is willing to present on KubeCon, it might be a great separate talk.
Exactly.
If you up to that, Michal. So it's like up to you. The decision is totally up to you. Do you want to present on KubeCon Amsterdam? It seems to be like cool topic. So I would select this kind of topic if I would be like reviewing it, because it's standing alone. It's like a both Sandbox project and something interesting, unusual and advanced within the Sandbox project. So I would highly encourage you to apply a CFP. Yeah, I think we have still a couple or like 2-3 weeks before CFP closes. So just think about it.
Yeah, let's actually let me check that. Let me
what is the deadline for the second video? For first one, you can check, guys. I will provide it to Tim, and Tim will together upload it somewhere. But CF is, what's that?
Yeah, CFP is closes on 18th of November, Friday, but it's not about video creation. It's about creating a CFP document. So it's about abstract, like benefit to community. When you go there, you will see the structure. So it's actually just a semantical layout of your presentation, not a presentation itself. And you will have like, I don't know, half an year to actually prepare the presentation. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Definitely. Let's work towards that. So let's actually I'll then create a I'll then create separate separate action point here, CFP for KubeCon U, right? On WRR. And Michal, I'm putting you.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that'll be they'll be awesome. I think definitely. Not sure
Michal,
about you, Michal.
Those are like two. Those are like a document and a video, or just a video for
no video.
on my side.
There will be no video. It will be just call for papers document with a kind of 2 sections of abstract and some details about your talk. There will be actually no video recordings. So if you your CFP will be accepted, you will be able to present on stage in Amsterdam. Does it make sense?
Yeah, but in fact, yeah, that's what we are talking about. And in fact, that I think they might ask you to provide a kind of demo of the like previous presentation you had. So I think it makes sense to use that shorter video as an example, so they can assess your speakers virtues and decide. They will help decide. But again, from my point of view, from what I seen on the video, it should be a really good one. So I also like encourage you to take this part, and this is really unique material to me. So
okay, so I can start with the video preparation, making some slides and make some video, and we can correct that in the like second stage together, and like starts for that. If you're going to help me with these documents, it's going to be great. Maybe not only me, but maybe guys, if you like, we can go together.
So if I'm not mistaken, there should be at least 2 or like 1 speaker or 2 speakers from different companies. How it works, Yuri?
It can be anything, I guess. Let's actually go. If you can, so it's going to be 1 speaker, dual speaking, and even a panel, right? So you can actually open CFP site while you're sharing, and we can.
I was trying to. Yeah, I was trying to find it. Do you have it handy? Like maybe you can post the link to the chat. if you have it open, so I can open in the shared screen.
And just a sec. Yeah, this is the main page, and you need to find a
Awesome.
link there.
Okay, looking through that one. Yeah, it takes some time. Okay, so
So you find a button of maybe
simple
below.
submission, how to submit your proposal, requirements, considerations. Up to 2 proposals, you may on one panel and one non-panel accepted session. Panel submission must include the names of all participants. We will not select. So the question is like, yeah, let's decide on format, and
Yeah, if you click somewhere like on submissions, it should take you somewhere
sample
with the
submission.
form.
Submit a proposal, right?
Yeah, we can just kind of go through the pseudo draft.
Okay. Okay, so if it opens Tuesday, so it closes on
That's the
8th
same
of
shit.
November. Yeah,
So
just,
like
yeah.
if you click apply,
Okay. Michal, we're including you there. Like no matter if you want or not. So basically getting there as we speak. What? Okay. MWHM. Account for continue to execute the report. View programs. Okay. To oh yeah, Europe. Apply. Submit. So this one, right?
looks correct.
Save. Next to proceed with your submission.
Just thought nothing bad will happen until you submit. So like just click next.
You both submitter and primer speaker.
You'll be able to change it later on. So blah blah blah. Well, I'm not sure if it actually will get you through.
Yeah. So speaker panelist is this a panel discussion, right? So each session is load one primary speaker and one co-speaker. So it can be 2. If more 2 speakers, then it is considered panel and should be submitted as panel discussion. So question is like if that WRR makes sense as panel discussion, what we're going to discuss is panel.
But panel discussion is huge, like I don't know, state of supply chain security so like it's not a panel for sure. Nobody will gather a panel around some large project. So it's like it says a single speaker or 2 speakers max.
Yeah, and we definitely employed an end user company. Are there any rules there? I'm not sure if a company. I think we are end user, definitely. Spoken, Michal.
Okay. Or if you want to take it.
Not sure. Okay. Is this panel discussion? Nope. Is there a co-speaker? Can be, right? Why not?
Yeah.
So speaker name and user spoken previously. So that's, yeah, that's clear. Can we go next or will there be? Yeah, I'm just checking. No, so it requires an answer. Yeah.
it will not let you through.
But yeah, I
Anyway,
think I think
uh,
from here at least it's clear about the
structure.
about the structure. Let me do what? Let me just I don't know. I'll leave it and then probably copy paste the that. Awesome. So yeah, I guess another one. Cloudflare support. Yeah, I think this is all related to the general provider support, and so at least what I did a fork for external DNS, but I didn't do anything kind of significant there. So so it's still on there. Update project main page with roadmap and show visibility to the community. So that's done. So we did it before as part of that task. So and usage of KGB without HDNS provide our view on the topic. I'm not sure, Dinar. Can
Say it again.
you usage of KGB without the HDNS?
All right. Yeah. No, I don't have an update on that.
Okay, still there. Cool. So let's get back to our yeah, office hours retro.
3
Yeah, I don't
minutes to
know.
go.
Yeah.
Should we
So
reconnect?
let's yeah, please let's reconnect and restart the recording. See you there.
Same.